Hallo und willkommen to another module. This video is about the topic Zahlen von 1 bis 100, or in other words, numbers from 1 to 100. We use numbers in our daily language not only for calculating, but also to express what date or time it is, or even your age. Therefore, we are learning it in German right now. So let's start. I hope you enjoy. Okay, on this list you can see the numbers from 1 to 20. I will read them out loud so you can imagine the pronunciation. I will read every number twice so you can repeat with me together. Okay, I will start. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Okay, so that's the list of the numbers from 1 to 20. And for these numbers, I would suggest to memorize them, to learn them by heart, because there's no specific, not a real specific rule for them. Therefore, I would just try to learn them by heart with repeating and exercising, practicing them. Okay, as I said, for the numbers from 1 to 20, there's no rule. But for the numbers after 20, there is a rule. And this is what I'm going to show you now. On the left side, you can see the numbers from 0 to 10. That are the numbers that you are going to use and that you are going to need. We know the number 20 that you see there, 20. When you look at the next number, 21, what you will notice is that they took the one, put the und together between, and added the 20. So it's 1 and 20. 21. Same for the 22. 22. 2 and 20. Und in English is and. So you could say that in the German language, you switch it around. Normally, in the English language, it's, for example, 22. We switch it around. We put the 2 at the front. So it's 22. And we add und between the numbers. When you look at the next numbers, 23, 23. Yeah, they took the 3, they added the und and the 20, 20. 3 and 20. That's how we do it in the German language. Next one, 4. 4 und 20. 4 and 20. Instead of 24, we say 4 and 20. 4 und 20. 5 und 20. 6 und 20. 7 und 20. 8 und 20. 9 und 20. And then 30, the 30. So, as a little repetition, yeah, we take the number from 1 to 0, from 1 to 10. For example, when you have the number 27, you take the 7, 7, add and then the 20. 7 und 20. That's how we do it. And with that rule, you can build any other number that follows after 20. You just need to know how to count by tens, and that's what I'm going to show you now. How to count by tens. Here you see again the numbers from 0 to 10, and then how you count by tens. Yeah? The 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and so on. If you memorize them and the numbers from 0 to 10, you can build any other number. So we will read again together by tens. We will start with the 20. 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. And the 100 is 100, 100. You can say 100 or you can just say 100. So now that we know how to count by tens, and since we also know how to count from 0 to 10, we can build any other number. For example, 73. Yeah, as I said, we take the 3, we put und between them, and then we add the 70, which is 70. 73. When we have 45, we take the 5, we add und then the 40, 40. 45. When we have 62, we take the 2, 2, add und add 60, 60. 62. Yeah, as you notice, it's switched around. 97. 7 und 90. 7 and 90. 38. 8 und 30. 8 and 30. 8 und 30. And the last one, 86. 86. 6, 6 und 80. 80. And that's basically all. Yeah, that's how you build the numbers. You should learn the numbers from 1 to 20 by heart, and also how to count by tens. Yeah, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. But when you know them by heart, you can build every number. And here you have a little overview, yeah, over the numbers, how to build them, and what you should learn. And I would suggest or recommend to take a picture of it, or maybe yeah, just to use it as an overview if you forget. So my hint, as I said, try to learn the numbers from 1 to 20 and how to count by tens. Then you will be able to count in German. And it doesn't matter what number it is. Okay, so that's all to the numbers. I gave you my suggestions and I hope you have fun while learning. So see you in the next video. Bye.